We'll guide you through how to restore contacts on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've got a new iPhone, or there may be another reason for why you want to go and do this, but we'll be covering two different ways you can go and do it. So first of all, you need to go and close out of the Contacts app like so, and all you need to do is go and open up your settings. Come to the top of your settings and you need to go and click on your name like so to get into your Apple ID settings. And then all you need to do is come down the list until you see the option for iCloud and go and click there. Then all you need to do is come into this section, apps using iCloud, go to the bottom and click on show all. And you want to go and find the contacts option. Then what you can do is switch this on and your iCloud contacts will be synced onto your iPhone, hopefully restoring them. So you can go and click there, you need to click on merge, and we've now done it. Now if we return to our contacts, and your iCloud contacts should then go and download and sync onto your iPhone. It's that simple. I'll press on lists in the top and you can go and see we've now gone and synced them. Another way you can go and do this is if we come back to our settings, I'll come back to our main settings like so, you can actually go and sync your contacts from your email account. So if we go and scroll down like so to mail, we'll click there, then go and click on accounts. Then we've got the account section at the top here. You need to go and click on Gmail, and you then need to go and switch on contacts here. This may not be available for all email accounts, but it is for Google and Gmail, so you can switch that on. And now our Gmail contacts are going to go and be synced and restored onto our iPhone. I'll come back to our contacts and I'll just press on the back button in the top left and we can now go and see our Gmail contacts. It's that simple, and we can select all contacts at the top. If you found this useful, then leave a like.